Hi, I'm Dave Shannon from Drive Ahead School of Motoring. This video today is just a look at Hanford Roundabout. It's quite a common one if you're using the Newcastle test centre. Coming along the A500 southbound towards the big roundabout, Hanford Roundabout, to make a right turn towards Newcastle. It does tend to catch a lot of people out just not being in the right lane. Now the important thing is to recognise that you come into that roundabout. It is a little bit different than the others that we deal with. If you spot on your approach, you've got the Knights BMW and the mini garage on the left, you've got the big Sainsbury's distribution centre. A couple of clues there as to which roundabout you're approaching. Now as the road widens initially from one lane to two lanes, we want to be in the left hand lane. Shortly after it will widen to three lanes. I'm going to pause the video in just a moment so we can see it. We're going to be in the centre lane here, which is road marks for the A34 North and the A34 South. The A34 South is a left turn at the roundabout, and we're going to make the right turn to the A34 North, which you can also do using the right hand lane. Now the benefit of using this middle lane that we're in now is as we exit the roundabout, it's going to put us into the left lane, the normal driving lane. The right hand lane will go the same direction, but it then means after the roundabout you've got to make a lane change from the right back to the left hand lane, which is still absolutely fine, but it's just a little bit easier using this middle lane. Now looking at the road markings ahead, the left is left only, the middle lane says ahead and left, and the right lane says ahead. Now we're not technically going ahead, but that's the direction it's given us. So as we progress to the next set of traffic lights, it's going to put us into the outer lane, the far left lane. And as we get underneath the bridge, we're going to be in the left lane still, so we're going to go around the outside of the roundabout. The lane next to you, and you're going to see a white van come alongside me in a minute, is the overtaking lane. So he's going to finish underneath the bridge in the lane next to me. So progressing forward now, we're in this outer lane. We must stick to this lane now. You must, whatever you do, don't move back towards the right. We're in the left hand lane now. That white van's there using that second lane. Now we're both going to take the next exit, which is the A34 North. We're going to exit in the left lane. The white van is going to exit in that right lane. Now again, both of these options are correct. It's just this lane gives you the least amount of trouble. That right van at some point soon is going to move over from the right lane back to the left. I really hope this video has helped you to just get your head around that Hanford Roundabout a little bit. Might take 2 or 3 watches just to totally sink in and to get your head around exactly where you need to be. Obviously go out there with your instructor if you're practicing at home. Just try it, go around there a few times, just get a good feel for it, because it is something that can trip you up on the test if you're not familiar with that roundabout. Good luck with it. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/driveaheadsom, and then you'll get all these updates and useful videos straight into your inbox.